Sir Game na, ano yung update dun sa mga ginagawa mong para i-counter
Our
ito?
lawyers are talking about it, and nakakatuwa naman kasi lahat puro positive na they are very much confident na airtight yung mga cases that we'll be filing. So we're happy about it. It's just that nilang mahirap talagang yung court of public opinion yung binibira nila. Hindi nila binabanggit yung 2023, ni-raise na natin ito. Tapos 2023 pala, bigla na lang sasabihin may project ka na hindi mo rin alam, na hindi din alam ng DE, ng RD, ng secretary. And then this guy na nung dumating dun sa camera, biglang iba na yung sinasabi, di ba? So, nakakagulat lang, but it is what it is. Alam naman natin yung reputasyon din dun sa camera. Pag witness ka, pag hindi nagustuhan yung isasagot mo, iko-contempt ka. Yun yung binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta, it's not me who said it. So, yun lang. At tayo naman, very positive tayo na malalagpasan natin itong mga paninira dahil talagang based on lies and hindi mo ma-verify yung mga sinasabi nila. Lalong-lalo na yung photo of another cellphone.
Sir, kailan mangyayari itong pag-file ng case?
It's not for me to decide, yung lawyers are talking about it.
Last na, kumusta yung pamilya mo? Ano yung sabi dun sa...
Well, yung family naman super supportive sa atin. No? Nakakalungkot lang because they don't deserve it. They have to undergo this kind of demolition job just because of me. Yun lang yung pinakamasakit talaga. But we stick to the truth, we stick to our faith in God. Ang Panginoong Jesucristo, pinaka ko sa krus eh. So, yun na lang yung consolation natin.
Anong sabi mo sa kanila, sir? Yung assurance mo sa kanila na...
Well, una, hindi sila nag-doubt sa akin ever because, you know, my mom, my sister, nung nawala sila, ikaw man, alam na alam mo yun. Hindi na ako dapat tutuloy, but I know they wanted me to continue with public service, and the only thing that matters to all members of my family ay yung pangalan namin. Hindi namin gagamitin o dudungisan ang pangalan na pinahiram sa amin ng Diyos.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.